Okay, here we're on busy Travessa dos Anjos. We're gonna go straight down that way and go check it all out. Before we go, it's a busy Saturday. You got crowds absolutely everywhere today. Pretty typical of Macau, especially on a Saturday. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's go down our busy street. Before we even begin, I just want to show you these beautiful tiles and also just these, you got these little things everywhere. Like these kind of things right there. Okay, so what we're going to do is head on into the alley of Travessa dos Anjos, the Street of the Angels. Let's go check it all out. Yeah, it's pretty busy today. It's also just became a little bit more colder. It's a little bit more of a winter feel. That just happened 2 days ago, I think. Today is October 23rd, I believe. I'll put it down below. It's definitely a Saturday evening. We're just gonna walk on up and check it all out. There's another temple here. That one. So we got a lot of couple of temples in the alleyways. Let's see what else is around here. Yeah, we just see that temple again, so you can see how it fits, right? So it's like right there. So they have them in a lot of the alleys like that. Somebody else is in a ladder way down there too. Okay, let's keep on going and strolling. You see all the different elements of Macau too. Portuguese, Filipino, Chinese, other, but I think just walking by you can see Macauese, which is a mix of Portuguese and Chinese. Just kind of film this plaza real quick. So you have that giant plaza right there. It's pretty nice. And these apartments kind of look down on that plaza as well. Okay. Got some eateries. I think somebody ordered something here. We got a cat. Oh, somebody got some food for the cat too, I think. Luring the cat. Oh, she's a little bit scared of the cat, I think. But she has food for the cat too, so I guess she's luring the cat away or she's scared. I don't know which. Sometimes people are scared of cats here, which is kind of strange, but looks like an egg menu, Korean style. We got kimbap and noodles and things like that. This is brand new. I haven't seen this before. It's like a brand new 12 to 8. It opens at 12 and it closes at 8 o'clock. And then we're going to keep on going down this one and then we're going to come around this corner. You can kind of see this nice corner like that. So this street is a pedestrian street, no cars, which is fantastic. Travessa dos Anjos. Kind of Japan style, I guess. There's also watch shops right in this area, cell phone shops.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Where are you from?
From United States.
Oh.
You see, where's that? There was a, oh there it is, Arabian kebab. So that kebab shop is gone now. Got some noodle shops though. Okay. So I guess we're gonna come out to the end of our street. Another nice day here in Macau. There's our street, Travessa dos Anjos. And we're gonna come out here kind of a another nice street, and it leads right into San Malo, Senado Square, Sao Domingo's Church, Sao Paulo ruins, all kinds of stuff. This little alley goes from Rua de Campo to this area. The Portuguese embassy is straight down that way, and the Portuguese bookstore is right there. You can't see it, but it's on the street on the left. Okay, so I guess for that one, we're gonna end this one. Let's see where he's going. Is he going to go down the pedestrian street? I guess so. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.